Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to share a little project that I am making with the Maker's Movement products that I received, and I'm featuring the nested arch die set as well as the nested coffin die set. So both of these is what I will be using, as well as their double-sided foam and their double-sided adhesive foam and their clear acetate sheets. We also have some sprinkles to use. There's two different mixes. One is called Halloween and the other one is called Spooky. Those are the mixtures. So this is the Halloween mixture and this is the Spooky mixture. So we are going to be making shakers, if you cannot tell, and nesting dies are great for making shakers because you just use the biggest die, whatever size you want to. You take the biggest die, cut a piece out like that. You'll need an acetate that is the same size, so you'll have to cut an acetate out of the same die, and then you will take one of the other nested dies that is smaller and run both of them through the die machine like this, and you will create a frame. And so you'll have to cut it out of the double side adhesive foam, and as well as a cardstock paper that you're going to cover. And then of course we need the shaker bits. So let's get assembling. So I'm gonna work with the nested arch die, but to me it looked like a tombstone, so that's what I am going with, a tombstone. So I've also cut out some ghost friends that I will be using for my tombstone, and this die is also from Maker's Movement. It is a 6-piece die and it comes with the 3 ghosts and their eyes. So I'm probably going to speed up the video as I assemble the shaker, and I will be back at the end. Enjoy! So we're back. There's our two shaker cards we've made. And again, these products are from Maker's Movement. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate you coming by. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey for more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, shakas.